as I speak now, my chiefs are expecting me to say something which will also benefit them, not as chiefs alone, but as a traditional area. We've been given traditional area a few months ago, or about 2 years ago, and our most need for the office is we want a bus. We want a mini bus or any type of bus that can transport the chiefs. You see our chiefs, most of them are old. When going to places to serve their town or their traditional area, they have to go by motorbikes, trotros, and others. So we put it before you, let us also benefit from a bus for the traditional council. Excellency, we are most grateful for your coming here. We expect you to come another time. Today, we know you are tired. You find another time. You come, then we take you around when we are celebrating our next festival, so that you see what happens when Tɔtsogbezã festival is in place. We are especially inviting you through the Minister for Tourism, our mother, Yefa Bomashi. They have been very friendly with us. And so we thank you very much for your coming. Your Excellency, today's celebration has been centered on building a health center. We know the government cannot do everything for us. So we try in our own small way, and we have started. We have started building a health center, community health center. We will urge the government to assist us so that we can complete this health center with ease.